Shingles.
Introduction.
The virus that causes chickenpox is the same virus that causes shingles.
Select true or false.
Correct. This is the varicella zoster virus. People who have had chickenpox can get shingles from a patient who has shingles.
Select true or false.
Correct. Being exposed to somebody who has shingles does not activate the dormant zoster virus in the ganglia. People with a weak immune system are more likely to develop shingles.
Select true or false.
Correct. The following conditions are associated with a weak immune system: HIV infection or AIDS, radiation treatment, surgery, and chemotherapy. Most patients who have shingles get it only once in their lifetime.
Select true or false.
Correct. People usually have shingles only once in their life. Patients who have weak immune systems are more likely to get it more than once. Antiviral drugs can reduce the duration and severity of shingles.
Select true or false.
Correct. The earlier the treatment, the better the outcome. Doctors usually prescribe antidepressant medications to patients with shingles to control depression.
Select true or false.
Correct. Medications that are usually used as antidepressants and anticonvulsants are also helpful in treating pain from post-herpetic neuralgia.
Thank you for using Explain.